Okay, for this question on circles, I would say it's quite easy, except for part B. But if you break down a little bit on part B, you find that it's not so difficult after all. Okay, so for the first part, they simply want the radius and center. So this one is a very foundation part. So you either do by complete square like I show here, or for those of you, if you use the formula, you go ahead and use the formula to get the center and the radius. Okay, so but the center and radius, you need to be careful. For the center, you need the center so that you can carry on properly with the second part of the question. So the second part of the question, some people will feel that it's a bit weird. So your job is to find the shortest distance from the center to the line. So this line is a bit random. So you just have to accept that they just give you a random line. And they want you to find the shortest distance and subsequently explain why the circle doesn't intersect the line. Okay, so actually, when you want to decide whether a circle intersects a line or not, you can also do a simultaneous equation. So you can try doing a simultaneous y equal to 2x with the circle. And then if you can't get any solution, that means the circle and the straight line doesn't intersect. However, they specifically want the shortest distance. So you need to relate shortest distance to a perpendicular distance first. So, and this one has no diagram to help you. So with no diagram, I think it will be easier if you come up with your own diagram. So the center is here. Where is the circle? Okay, maybe it's somewhere here. I'm not sure. I'm not very sure. Okay, so we can estimate, okay, but the circle is not necessary. I will need the center and I want to find the shortest distance, which means I need the perpendicular distance. So this is a very core job question. So I'm interested to find this distance, meaning I need to get this coordinate. So I need to get the intersection. So I need to get the intersection coordinate and I will apply my length formula. So in order to do the intersection, I need to find the equation of this line. So I'm going to call this line line K. And this line is perpendicular to y equal to 2x. So y equal to 2x directly, I know that the gradient is 2. So if I apply my M1 times M2 concept, so I will get this. And that's how I gotten the minus half. That means the gradient for line K will be minus half. And then after that, I use the center. I use the center to find the equation of line K. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do a simultaneous equation to get the coordinate. So this is where my simultaneous equation happen. I need to get the equation. I need to do a simultaneous. Once I get the coordinate, I got to apply my length formula. And that is the reason why you actually got quite a lot of marks. And if you observe the distance is bigger than the radius. So the radius is somewhere like 5 units, but the shortest distance is, that means this is the least that it can get away from the circle is already like bigger than the radius. So that's why it doesn't intersect at all. Okay, so if you can get past this one, it's actually quite easy already, because the next part is actually a diameter. So CD is a diameter. So it's something like this. So they gave you a diameter. Okay, when they give you a diameter, don't forget the center is there already. So the center is there, and then they give you one of the coordinate. You're supposed to find the other one. And that is just a midpoint. So it's just a simple midpoint. So that's why I think this part is very easy. If they give you diameter in a circle question, you need to remember midpoint. Okay. So I think the difficult part will be the second part, which get people stuck. Okay, but if you draw it out, you will be helping yourself.